Hey, welcome to Jen's Kitchen, where we're bringing families together one recipe at a time. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to season a cast iron skillet. If you like my video, make sure you flip that like button and subscribe to my channel and turn on that cooking video timer. Let's do this! Okay, so do you see how terrible this pan is? I've neglected this pan like beyond belief. I should be reported to the PPS. Let me be quiet with my dumb self and let's get started on how to do this. We're gonna start off by setting the oven to as high as we can, so mine goes up to 500. You're gonna put some oil in that bad boy and spread it around to get an even coat. Okay, so recipe tip here, you wanna use an oil with a low smoke point, so something like olive oil, because you wanna burn it onto the pan. So after you've coated that pan, you're gonna throw it in the oven for like 2 hours and get that thing burning. So you're gonna repeat these steps as many times as you need just to get that shiny little coat on it. I had to do it like 3 times. Woohoo! My pan has been restored! Okay, so wait. If you've made it this far, please don't leave me hanging. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and click one of these links. Thanks!